Welcome to the Basics Hub. If your outdoor space is looking a little tired, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to give your outdoor living area a fresh makeover by cleaning and refreshing those worn-out cushions. With just a few simple steps, we'll transform your outdoor furniture into a cozy and inviting space for summer lounging and entertaining. Let's get started. Segment 1. Assessing your cushions. Before we dive into cleaning, let's take a moment to assess our cushions. Look for any stains, fading, or signs of wear. If your cushions are still structurally sound but just need a little TLC, you're in great shape. Here's what you'll need: mild detergent or fabric cleaner, water, a soft brush or sponge, a bucket, and optional fabric protectant spray for after cleaning. Segment 2. Cleaning the cushions. Start by preparing your cleaning solution. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water in a bucket. This will help lift dirt and stains without damaging the fabric. Using a soft brush or sponge, gently scrub the surface of each cushion. Pay extra attention to any stained areas. Don't be afraid to put in a little elbow grease. For stubborn stains, let the solution sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing. Once you've scrubbed each cushion, it's time to rinse off the soap. You can use a hose or simply wipe them down with clean water using a sponge. Make sure all soap residue is removed to avoid any sticky buildup. After rinsing, place your cushions in a sunny spot to dry completely. Sunlight not only helps dry them faster, but also helps eliminate any lingering odors. Segment 3. Adding protective finishes. Once your cushions are fully dry, consider applying a fabric protectant spray. This will help repel water and stains in the future, keeping your cushions looking fresh longer. Now that your cushions are clean and protected, it's time to style your outdoor space. Arrange your freshly cleaned cushions on your furniture and consider adding some throw pillows for extra comfort and color. And here's the transformation. From worn out and faded to fresh and inviting, your outdoor living space is now ready for summer gatherings and relaxation. Remember that even small changes can make a big impact on your outdoor living area. Don't hesitate to tackle those DIY projects. It's all about making your space feel like home. Today we've cleaned and refreshed our outdoor cushions, turning them from drab to fab. With just some basic supplies and effort, you can revitalize your outdoor space without spending much. If you enjoyed this makeover, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more DIY tips. What are some of your favorite ways to refresh your outdoor space? Share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Here's to enjoying our outdoor spaces all summer long. Happy DIYing!